Hello everyone, how to calculate interest on loan in Excel. So let's start. So here you can see I have data loan amount, interest rate, tenure, and here I'm going to calculate interest amount. So first select the cell used is equal to and type here IPMT and select here IPMT formula. So IPMT means interest payment. So here the select the first rate. Rate indicate interest rate. I select the interest rate cell and divide it by 12. So interest rate is always given per year, but EMI is paid every month. So we divided the yearly interest by 12 to convert it into monthly interest. Okay. After that, just use the comma. And per means which month. So which month you want to calculate the interest amount. So I'm going to calculate the first month interest amount. So here I type 1, then comma, NPER. So NPER means total months. So total months is tenure. Select your tenure cell C2. Then use comma, then PV. Then use the minus sign and select your PV means loan amount. The loan amount is 1 lakh. Select the A2. Then bracket closed and enter. So here you can see your interest amount is calculated of first month. So just select the cell and double click on this corner point to fill your data in below the cell. Okay, so first month interest amount of every loan here calculated. And after that, I remove this dollar sign. I select here entire column, then right click on the mouse and click on the format cell. And here the format cell dialog box is open. In number tab in currency, here you can see the symbol dollar showing. Just click on this drop down arrow and select here none and click on OK, and that's it. Here dollar sign is removed. So this is a way you can calculate interest on loan in Excel. Hope you understood. Subscribe the channel. Thank you.